Hey gang, here we are stopping in, what is it, Horseshoe Bend.
Horseshoe Bend.
Here in, just outside of Page, Arizona, on our way to Grand Canyon.
Again.
We're actually going to be camping in the park this time. So we'll spend a few days there, but we're not supposed to have the greatest weather.
No, we're not.
We'll make the best of it.
We always do. Enjoy.
So, here we go on the next part of the trip. Hi. Well, hello everybody. Well, here we are at the site of which Joanne's going to take a jump and see how well her parachute works.
No, honey, my wings got clipped.
Oh, you're grounded?
Yes.
Well, then just enjoy the views.
It is beauty, miss. Look at the river. Hello, buddy. He's real. Told ya. Okay. And he's walking this way. Okay. No, I know. Here he comes, Jeff. He's a big old boy. Here's our rig. And here he goes.
It's a female.
She's big. She's about
Go for it.
8 foot. What is she, Jeff?
Huh?
What is she, about 8 feet high?
No, about 6 feet.
No way. If I walk, no. Oh, that was her making that noise?
Yeah, that's what they sound like. So we were greeted at Grand Canyon National Park, or the RV park, with these wonderful elk. Some baby elks and some moms and dads. And we had a lot of fun and chuckled quite a bit as we saw them walk around the park, and they pretty much had their way. They didn't seem to care about us folks there and RVs running around. But it was surreal for Joanne. She really, really enjoyed it. Alright, for those of you that are new to this channel, we are running a contest to give away 2 Aventon Sinch bikes like this. So all you have to do is watch the video and look for the icon like this, which is a little Sinch bike, and it'll have a letter or a number, or an image on top of that. So look for that and keep track of those throughout the video. Now those clues are randomly put in the video in any location. Could be at the beginning, could be in the middle, the end, or all of those things in there. But somewhere in the video you're going to see at least one clue. There's usually multiple clues, but look for it and remember what it is so you can enter it into the form. And then when you're all done, all you have to do is go to this link right here. I'll have it below, but you go use this QR code, scan it on your phone, and it'll take you right there, and you fill out the entry form to win the bikes. And at the bottom there, in the form, it's going to let you put in the clues that you saw from this episode. And don't forget to put that episode number. It's very important to organize your answer, whether it's right or wrong. So have fun, enjoy the video, and look for those clues. Remember, it's going to be a little cinch bike like this with a letter, a number, or an image on top of it. All right, back to the video. So as we stand on the south rim of the Grand Canyon and we view across this vista, we were amazed of how magnificent this view was. The canyon is approximately 277 miles long and 6,000 feet deep. And everywhere you look, you see various colors and shades and terrains, and then the Colorado River running through the middle down at the bottom. It's just fantastic. The camera here does not do it justice, and I know you hear that on everybody who films this. You definitely have to put this on your bucket list to come out and see this, because the majesty of the Grand Canyon is incredible. And this ties in to the grand staircase that I was talking about in the other videos of both Bryce Canyon and Zion National Park. Bryce was the top of the staircase, Zion the middle, and here at the Grand Canyon, it's the bottom step of the grand staircase. So we've completed the staircase. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful majesty that this Grand Canyon provides. Raining in the canyon. That's cool. So we've hit rock bottom. What I mean by that is, as I mentioned earlier, we're at the bottom of the grand staircase here at the Grand Canyon. So we literally have hit rock bottom of the grand staircase. So as you look across the canyon here during this rainstorm, I personally have never seen this and was in awe of how magnificent this was to watch. I was mesmerized until Joanne said, okay, we're getting too wet, let's go. So hope you enjoy this like I did. It's just beautiful to see.
No, that is not rock salt. That is hail outside. Put our truck. Oh, God. Oh. Look at that.
To remind everybody, this is the last episode for the contest to give away 2 Cinch bikes. So make sure you collect all the clues on this episode, and we'll be announcing the winner on October 30th on a live event. Don't forget to be the clip monster and do all the things and make all the clicks, and enjoy the rest of the video of watching all these beautiful elk.
Oh, he's sniffing. Right?
It's like our safari.
Yeah. Who's he looking at? Oh, the little baby.